Hello dear teachers, in this video I will tell you how to use Microsoft Forms in Microsoft Teams app. Forms are used just like Google Forms for creating objective-wise question papers. So let's see. First open Microsoft Teams, then click on Assignment. On the top right corner there is a plus button. Click on that button. After that, click on New Quiz. Now from here, you have to choose a particular team for which you are creating this form. So I will choose this dummy team for practice. Click on Next. As you can see, the list of all the previous forms which I have created are appearing here, irrespective of the team. It is not necessary that only the uh, forms of any particular team will visible here. All the forms which you have created in Microsoft Teams will appear here. So we have to create a new form, so that is why we will click on New Quiz. Now a auto generated page will open in your mobile browser. So this is the interface. From here we have to add questions and uh, give a heading to our question paper. Suppose we are creating PT1 question paper for English, so we can write now. You can also add a description if you want, otherwise you can skip it. Now this add new button will help us to add questions in our question paper. So teacher, this is very important. The first option which you will ask students to enter is their name, and then you will ask them to enter their class. After that we will frame the question answers. First question will first option will be for name and second will be for class and section. This is compulsory for all the question paper. So for entering name and class we have to choose this second button, text button. Here you can write enter your name. Okay, then click on this required button. By using this button we will make this option compulsory for each and every student, so that no students can skip this part, as this is a very important part. Then click on add new again. Click on text button and here write enter class and section. This two options will help us to identify each and every student. Now we will start framing the question for our question paper. Again click on add new. This time you have to click on this first button, choice, as we have to give multiple choice questions. So click on that. Suppose we have to write any question like choose the correct spelling. Suppose this is your question and we have to give 3 to 4 options. It will depend according to the subject. So like we have to give option 1. You can write you can add more options by using this button, add option. So by this way we can input different answers. Of course one answer will be right, and now you have to uh, select the right answer also, so that it help us to auto correct the question paper. So as you can see that option number 2 is correct, so I will click on this button. Then as you can see there is a tick mark, click on that 2 or 3 times till the time it is green in color. Okay, so let me do it again. uh, one more thing, you can add points, means marks per question from here. You have to give a particular, you have to assign a particular marks to each and every question, so you can assign the marks from here. That is 1 mark for each question. Let's add another question. Enter option number 1. So let's select the correct answer. Click on this circle button, then click on this right button, and again click on this 6 dot. By this way this tick will become green in color, and that means that your answer is selected. Okay, so by this way you can add many more questions according to the question paper, and each question will be of 1 point, as I have assigned 1 mark only for each question. Okay, now suppose we have created the question paper, now we have to share it to students. But before sharing, these are some settings which we need to do in our question paper. Click on these 3 dots at the top right corner, then click on settings. Here you choose anyone can respond, because many students don't remember their team's password and ID, so they can easily attempt the question paper. Then from here you can select the starting date and end date for the question paper according to your choice. Let's suppose starting date is 7th May and time is 3 p.m. and end date is 9th May and time is 3:15 p.m. Okay, don't tick on shuffle questions, because it can shuffle all the questions, and the options of enter name and class will also get shuffled, which will create a problem for us. So don't tick on this option. So these are some settings which we need to do. One more thing, dear teachers, this option in setting, that is show results automatically, we have to keep this option in off mode, otherwise students will able to edit their answers. So keep this option in off mode. After that click on this share button, click on this copy option. By this way you can copy the URL of this form, and just open WhatsApp or anything, you can paste it and send it to students from here. So by this way you can uh, create any form, any question paper for PT1 and half yearly examination. Thank you.